Hello everyone, welcome back to TJ's Budget Life. My name is TJ and I just want to give a full disclosure. I've already recorded this video 2 times. For whatever reason, my memory card is not formatting, so I'm hoping that it takes this time. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over what I stuffed into my cash envelopes. So, in this envelope here, today in beauty, I added $40. And I just wanted you guys to be able to see what I did. So I added 40. So that gives me a total of 20, 40, 45, 50, 55 in beauty. And then in grocery, I added 50. So as you can see, $50. Household, I added 5, which gave me a total of $5, $10, $15 in household. The joys of recording videos, okay? Miscellaneous, received 50 today. So I have 50 in miscellaneous. This is my leftover money. I know I had, okay, so we'll get back to this. I have leftover. I'm not going to count that right now. Eating out, I added 10. So 5, 10. Let me set this right here. Holidays, I added 10. So as you can see, there's a 10. Personal, today I added 3. That's what I budgeted for, was $3. And then, oh, so sorry about that. Let me put my phone on mute. Okay. $3. And then in rent, I added $180. And I should have a total of $195, $50, $1, $50, $20, $40, $45, $50, $55, $60, $65. Is that right? No. See? 20, 40, and 51, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Woo. Okay. See? I don't know what that was about. I can't tell you. Let's see here. I do have my coin jars here, and I did add coin to that. But I still have a lot of coin here. And I'm going to have to go through and roll that up here event soon. So in sinking funds and birthdays, I added 5, which gave me a total of 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Oh my God. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I don't know what that was about. Okay, but $50 is in birthdays. Emergency, I added 5. So that gives me a total of $60. In gifts, I added 5. That gives me a total of 25. I think I added something to everything this week. My grandson, I added 12, which this week it gave him a total of $60. He previously had 48. August, I added 6, and that gives me a total of $30 for her. Egypt, I did add $1, and it gave me a total of $5 for her. Home, if you guys remember me mentioning before, I'm only going to be adding $20 to this envelope here. So that gives me a total of 1, 2, 50, 55, 60. 260 is in home. Medical, I added 5, so it gives me a total of 25 for medical. Sam's Club, I added 5, which gave me a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Vacation, I added 5, and that gives me a total of 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 in vacation. I'll be taking a vacation this year, but I'm not going anywhere. Tech, I added 5. So that gives me a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Retirement, I added 5, which gives me a total of 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, and that was it for my sinking funds. Then next, and this challenges and other binder for Christmas, I added 25, which gives me a total of 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 250 is now saved up for Christmas. I haven't quite hit my goal yet. I want to at least have 500 for Christmas. My May challenge, I did the words May flowers, and I'm going to color the letters in. Each letter represents 10. So I have $20 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For this, try to color all of them in so I can end up with at least $100 for the monthly challenge, for the May monthly challenge. Savings, I added 7, which gives me a total of 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, let's do it this way. 20, 40, 60, 81, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 160 in my savings. I didn't count dollar. And 5, I know I had more than $5. Okay, that's where the leftover comes in, so. Leftover. So, my leftover money, I add these 5s in here. I'm going to add 1s to here. 1s to the dollar challenge. Okay. And I'm not doing neither of these. All I was doing just 3. So, today, I stuffed a total of $479. Set that there, and then I need I need, oh, I guess that's the, no, hold on 1 second, I'm tripping, it's me, it's not you. Alright, let me track in here. Alright, so paycheck 1. So paycheck and grocery. I budgeted. Well, actually, I had already spent some of the money. So now it's just going to be. Well, it still will be a total of 100. I budgeted 100 for miscellaneous. 12 for Tay, 6 for August, $1 for Egypt. I did 25 for Christmas savings. I did 7. I was going to do 30 for the May budget, but I ended up doing 20. So that's a difference of 10. And let me take this out to make it easier to write. So I guess this video basically a combination of a few things. Home, I did do 20. Beauty, I did 40. Okay. This is this Legends is going to be part of the miscellaneous. I'll be using some of my miscellaneous money for this trip. This is going to be on Wednesday. Okay, so out of these, okay, so rent is paid. Water is coming up. YouTube is paid. So that's a difference of 0. Same thing with rent. Alright, I still have HP Ink coming out, Amazon Prime, and my water bill, and Legends. And I will mark those accordingly when the time comes. And if you watched my previous video, this is how I'm keeping track of everything this month. So let me go back here because I like to mark things off as they happen. Alright, so YouTube is paid. And that's it so far. Okay, and I did, as I mentioned in the last video, I did say that I was going to be getting a raise, and I did. So instead of the $778.15, my actual check was $806.90, and the difference was $28.75. So it was real close to 50 cents. What I suspected that I was going to be getting for my raise. And then here I need to put in how much I put in for these. So it was $5 for birthdays. Christmas got $25. Emergency got $5. Gifts got $5. Tay, he got $12. August got $6. Egypt got $1. Home got $20. Medical got $5. Sam's Club got $5. My savings got $7. Personal, I put $3 in. Retirement, I put $5. Vacation, I put $5. Protect, $5. Nothing in Old Fudge this week. Nothing in the 26th week. And in the May challenge, I added 20. Now I won't total any of this up until the end of the month for an ending balance, because I may add more to it or I may subtract from it. We do not know, so we'll just wait until the end of the month for that part. But I realized just now that I didn't total this up of how much I actually had before adding the new numbers to it. So let's see. 45, 225, 55, 20. Okay, it's supposed to be 48. Okay, 48, 24, 4, 240, 20, 153. Oh gosh, I keep hitting the wrong thing. Okay, 40. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, 45, 225, 55, 20, 48, 24, 4, 240, 20, 10, 153, 40, 30, 15, 10. Okay, so 900. Is that right? That don't feel right. I'm sorry. One more time. 45, 225, 55. Okay. 45, 225, 55, 20, 48, 24, 4, 240, 20, 10, 153, 40, 30. Okay. Okay. Alright, 30. I see where, okay. 15, 10. Okay. I need to take off this 40 for personal because I did not start off the month with that. So, equals minus 40 equals okay, I'm just double checking. I know what I should have. Okay, so actually $859 is how much I have in all of my sinking funds. Or well, before I added what I added today. But we won't know what that is until the end of the month, what the total amount is going to be. Alright, so it's a good thing I checked that, because I would have been completely wrong. And then let's go over here real quick. I still have to type up, doing my transactions in here. I'm not going to do that in this video. Okay. Okay, I got everything right here. Okay, and then everything, I'll fill the rest of this out as the next week progresses up until my next pay. But that is all for today. I thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you like this video, please hit like. And if you wish to follow me on my budgeting journey, just hit the subscribe button and then ring that bell one more time just so that you can receive a notification every time that I post a new video. And once again, guys, thank you so much for joining me and supporting my channel. And I would just like to say you guys have a great rest of the day. And bye.